Good afternoon. Today I explain for class 9 the heroes formula. This is a heroes formula. This is a very important topic for class 9 the heroes formula. First the basic concept I clear for triangle. Okay. According to first basic concept for triangle. Triangle. Okay, means try means three angle. Which figure three angles? This is called triangle. Okay, triangle which has just three angles. This is called triangle. 1, 2, 3. According to triangle, according to sides, triangle are three types. According to side, triangle are three types. First is equilateral triangle. All sides are equal, just this type of figure. And second is isosceles triangle, means two sides are equal. And scalene triangle, all sides are different. All sides are different. This is called scalene triangle. According to angles also three types of triangle. According to angles also three types of triangle. According to angles. First is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Second is right angle triangle. Second is right angle triangle. And third is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Means according to sides also three type of triangle. According to angles also three types of triangle. Okay, first is equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Second is isosceles triangle, means two sides are equal. Third is scalene triangle, means all sides are different. This hero formula only for scalene triangle. If equilateral triangle means area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle always square root of 3 by 4 into side square. Means this is the area of equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle means and scalene triangle, these two triangles, if isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, that time only for one area formula is half into base into height. But if this is only for valid for right angle triangle. This area only for area of right angle triangle. But if given isosceles triangle, given scalene triangle, this only for area find out by the method of Hero's formula. Then today I explain for Hero's formula. Only isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, and scalene triangle all sides are different. Okay, this scalene triangle area find by Hero's formula. Hero's formula is if we are given if we are given 10, any numbers given, here given 12, here given 50. this is different sides, length of side means this is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, first you find S value. S value equals to A plus B plus C by 2 means 10 plus 12 plus 15 by 2. Here 15 no, then you add this 16. Okay, then here is 16. Easily you find, calculate, because okay, then 16 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 and 3, 38 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 19 means S value come 19. Then formula is, area of rectangle formula is a square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Then here S square root of S. S value is values 19. 19 S minus A. A value is here. A value is 10. B value is 12 and C value is 16. Here 19 minus A. A value is 10. Here 19 minus B. 19 minus 12. Here 19 minus C. 19 minus 16. Then here square root of 19, 19 minus 9, 19 minus 2, 7 and 19 minus 6, 3. Here 9 and 7, 27. Then 3 you put outside and here 19 into 7 into 3. Then this answer is only for under root square root of. If given number is, then you multiply 3, 19 into 21. This is a centimeter square. Okay, just here given the formula. Only how can use the formula any number? Suddenly I give any number, and how can apply this formula for this number? I only explain. Next topic explain for question. How can apply this hero's formula in question? Here write find the question is important question of triangle. Find the area of triangle, two sides which are 8 cm, 11 cm and the perimeter is 32 cm. Means here question is given perimeter means here one triangle you draw. Two sides which are 8 and 11 cm. Third side not given. Then first perimeter. What is the perimeter of circle? Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is a sum of side. Sum of all three sides. Sum of all three sides means A plus B plus C. Okay. Then here 32 given. This value is given for 32. But here A value is given. A value is given 8 and B value is given 11. Then here 32. 8 plus B 11 plus C. C value is 32 minus 19. Then C value is 30. C value is 30. Then here C value is 13. Then S value is A plus B plus C by 2. But A plus B plus C value is given 32 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 32, 16. Means S value is 16. Here area of triangle. area of triangle under root square root of s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Here a square root of s value is 16 and 16 minus a 8. Here 16 minus b 11 and 16 minus c 13. Okay, then here under root square root of 16 into 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11 5 and 16 minus 3. Okay, then here okay, then here here 16 into 8, then here you write under root square root of 8 into 2 into 8 into 5 into 3. Then here 2 8, then you common put 8 and square root of 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30, means 8 square root of 30 centimeter square, because area is unit is centimeter square. How can you solve this question? First, here question is given, find the area of triangle, two sides which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter given and perimeter value is also given. This question में एरिया निकालना है आपको. टू साइड्स दिया है, एक साइड दिया है 8 सेंटीमीटर और दूसरा साइड दिया है 11 सेंटीमीटर एंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ 32. पेरीमीटर का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है 32. अब यहाँ पे हम पहले बताएंगे कि पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल क्या होता है. पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल क्या होता है? सम ऑफ ऑल 3 साइड. पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल होता है जो सम ऑफ ऑल 3 साइड. तो यहाँ पे पेरीमीटर क्या होगा? 32 a प्लस b प्लस c. यहाँ पे 32 a प्लस 11 प्लस c. अब c का यहाँ से वैल्यू आ जाएगा 32 माइनस 19. c का वैल्यू यहाँ पे से हम 13 निकाल लेंगे. अब हमारा पेरीमीटर दिया पर इसका वैल्यू क्या होता है? पेरीमीटर बाई 2. इसका पेरीमीटर का वैल्यू दिया था 32/2 16. इसका वैल्यू हमारे पास 16 हो जाएगा. अब हीरोज फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? हीरोज फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? अंडर रूट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ s माइनस a, s माइनस b, s माइनस c. अब यहाँ पे 16 माइनस 8, 16 माइनस 11, 16 माइनस 13. Here 16 into 8 into 5 into 3. Here you find out 8 here 2 8. You outside put 8. यहाँ से 2 8 से एक 8 को बाहर लिख देंगे तो आंसर हमारे पास आ जाएगा 8 इंटू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 30 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब नेक्स्ट को फिर सेकेंड नंबर क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड नंबर क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास है द साइड ऑफ ट्रायंगुलर प्लॉट आर द रेशियो 3:5:7. इट्स पेरीमीटर इज 300 मीटर. द साइड ऑफ ट्रायंगुलर प्लॉट are in the ratio of 3:5:7. its perimeter is 300. means here you let sides 3x 5x 7x. then sum of sides 3x plus 5x plus 7x equals to 300. 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15, x equals to 300. x equals to 300 by 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 20 means x equals to 20. Okay, then a value is 3 into x means 3 into 20 means value is 60. B value is 5 into x means 5 into 20 means 100. C value is 7x means 7 into 20 means 140. Okay. Then here area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of triangle and square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Here s value is not given because here s value is 3a plus b plus c by 2. This value is given 300 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 150. Means s value is 150. Here under root to square root of (150) minus a value is 60. 150 minus b value is 100. 150 minus c value is 140. Then square root of 150 minus 60, 90. 150 minus 100, 50. 150 minus 40, 10. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then first you square root of 140 into 5 into 3, 3 into 3 into 5 you put. Okay, then here 40 inside, then outside come 20. Here 5 into 3, here 5 into 3, here 5 into 3 come outside. Then a square root of only for 3. Then 5 3s are 1500 square root of 3 centimeter meter square. 1500 square root of 3 meter square. Okay, here this question is the side of triangular plot. The side of triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7. 7. Its perimeter is 300 मीटर. मीन्स दिस क्वेश्चन में perimeter दिया है और जो साइड का है वो रेशियो दिया है. देन फाइंड इट्स एरिया. मीन्स यू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. Here let's if ratio is given, then you side let anything select x, y, z you wish. 3x, 5x, 7x you add this because perimeter means sum of all side. 3x plus 5x plus 7x you add, then 15x equals to 300. X value is come for 20. Here a value is here you abc your wish x, y, z p, q, r any value you put. Means this is the first side triangle, this is second side, this is the third side. 3 into x, 3 into 20, 60. B 5 into x, 5 into 20, 100. And C 7x, 7 into 20, 140. Means A's value is A plus B plus C. Then 300 by 2 means 150. And this is the area of triangle. Area of triangle means under root square root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. A's value is 150. 150 minus 60, 150 minus 100, 150 minus 140. Then here 150 into 150 minus 60, 90, 150 minus 150 and 150 minus 140, 10. Then come answers 1500 square root of 3 meter square. Because here meter is given, then your answer is also meter. Then go for third number question. Third number question is Hero's formula only for two types of triangle. First is scalene triangle, second is isosceles triangle. The equilateral triangle is directly formula under root square root of 3 by 4 into side square. Then here an isosceles triangle has perimeter is 30 centimeter. Each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. You know very well. Isosceles triangles means two sides are equal. Isosceles triangles means two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means here given equal side is 12, here 12 centimeter, this is a 12 centimeter, and sum if you let A, B, C, BC value is not given means perimeter of triangle, perimeter of triangle AB plus BC plus AC. AB value is given 12, BC value is not given, but AC value is also given 12, but perimeter is given 30 means BC value is 6, 30 minus 24 value is come 6 centimeter. First you find A value. A's value means A plus B plus C by 2 means here 12 plus 12 plus 6 by 2 means 30 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 15 means 15 value, 15 centimeter means area of triangle square root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This is the area of triangle. Then here already S value is 15. Here 15 minus A value is 12 and 15 minus 12. B value is also 12 and 15 minus 6. Then under square root of 15, 15 minus 12 3, 15 minus 12 3 and 15 minus 6 9. Okay. Then here 3 3 9 9 common, then 9 common, 9 the square root of 15 centimeter square. This area is 9 square root of 15 centimeter square. If you change in decimal, either you put direct for answers for 9 square root of 15 centimeter. Here this question, isosceles triangles means two sides are equal but third sides are different value. Here two sides is given 12 centimeter and full perimeter triangle is given 30 centimeter. We first find the third sides of triangle. Then you add the two triangle sides and subtract for perimeter. Then we will get 6. Third side length is 6 centimeter. Then S value is sum of perimeter by 2 means A plus B plus C by 2. Then 12 plus 12 plus 6 by 2. Then S value is 15. Area of triangle equals to under root square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Then 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6. Then you find the 9 square root of 15 centimeter. This is the answers. Thank you. Please any doubt write on comment. Please like and subscribe my channel. Please support me, like and subscribe my channel. I request for all, please like and subscribe my channel.